Last 6 months have been absolutely fantastic. We've been selected by 5 enterprise law firms, and we've signed contracts with 2, which is really exciting. Both DMH Stallard and Devonshires have selected Sharedo. Lots of good news out of Australia and the US. We've been selected by one law firm in Australia and another law firm in the United States. The reason I think Sharedo's been so successful is a lot of law firms either have very legacy case management systems, or they don't have something in place to manage matters across the organisation. Firms are now looking at how they can better manage data through its life cycle, how they can give their employees the best, most modern applications to manage their work, and how you can drive through those efficiencies, whether that's through workflow or just easier ways to enter data, manage documents, and collaborate with customers through portals or communication or email, SMS. So when you're looking at an enterprise matter management system or case management system, there isn't another application that can deliver in the enterprise legal space. Truly API first, can connect into all their systems, and can enable an enterprise law firm to manage all types of legal work. The key things I'm hearing about the legal market at the moment is, and I think the things that are keeping senior leadership at a lot of law firms awake at night, is employee retention, data and how to manage data better, and then operational efficiencies. Costs and margins are being stretched, and law firms are looking at the best way to drive operational efficiencies through all their practice groups. If you want to find out more about our software or engage with some of the challenges that you're facing, or similarly all your peers are facing, get in contact. We show you the application. We can have as many deep dives as you want. I think our record is 5.5 years in terms of engagement with one customer who has recently selected Sharedo. So look, get in contact. Your challenges will be similar to all of the customers that we've been onboarding over the last 2 years, and it'll be really exciting to have a conversation and show you more about the application.